Let's continue our lesson with the topic disease. Many times you have heard this term disease, but what actually it is? It is an abnormal condition. Abnormal means not normal. Abnormal condition in which our body does not function properly. It means some organ systems, they don't function properly. They are having some problem. So what are the reason behind them is it may be due to germs like viruses, bacteria, many viruses are there. So they may cause some disease, or maybe due to lack of any nutrients like vitamin and minerals, maybe due to lack of any vitamins and minerals in our diets. So we will read this in brief. So let's see different types of diseases. We have two types of diseases. First is communicable disease and second one is non-communicable disease. So let's find out what it is. Non-communicable disease means if a person is sick, that disease do not spread from this person to another person. So the disease that do not pass from one person to another person, from a sick person to a healthy person, is known as non-communicable disease. Some non-communicable disease are caused due to lack of certain vitamins and minerals. Like any person whose diet is deficient, lack in vitamin D, that the person may suffer from any disease, but the other person is having vitamin D in his diet, so he will not be suffered from that. Because in this particular vitamin and minerals are lacking, that's why we call it deficiency disease. Other name of non-communicable is deficiency diseases, because these diseases occur due to deficiency of particular vitamin and minerals in their diet. So mostly these diseases are related to improper eating habits. Like if a person whose diet is deficient in vitamin A, he may suffer from night blindness, vitamin B1, then beriberi. If you will not be having vitamin C in diet, then scurvy, vitamin D rickets, iodine goiter, and iron. If the diet is deficient in iron, then they may suffer from anemia. So I am going to show some pictures. In this you can see the scurvy. This disease occurs due to lack of vitamin C in their diet. This rickets due to deficiency of vitamin D, and this is caused by deficiency of iodine in the food, that is goiter. So these diseases, deficiency diseases, non-communicable disease, these are related to improper eating habits like cigarette smoking, chewing of tobacco. So if person is doing that, then some harmful disease also cause like cancer, but that do not spread to a healthy person. So cancer is an example of non-communicable disease. So let's move on to next one, communicable diseases. Communicable disease means the disease that can spread from one person to another person. Like COVID-19, that is caused because of coronavirus, that can spread from a sick person to an healthy person, and then again from that person to another healthy person. So in this way they form a chain. So this one is communicable disease, means the disease that can spread from one person to another person. Communicable disease are caused by germs. So we have different germs like bacteria, viruses, protozoa, fungi, and these are names of some disease that are caused by bacteria like typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera. All these are caused by bacteria. Common cold, polio, flu, AIDS, that is caused by virus, malaria, amoebic dysentery, kala azar, that is caused by protozoa, infections of skin, athlete's foot, that is caused by fungi. So I am going to show picture of this. These are germs, bacteria, virus, protozoa, fungi. All these can cause communicable disease, means the disease that can spread from one person to another person.